Assalamualaikum. My name is Hania Owais and I'm from grade 5. Today I will tell you about healthy food. What is healthy food? Healthy food is important for us. It gives us energy. We will be strong, and today I will make some healthy food. Let's start it. I'm making stuffed dates. We need honey, almonds, nuts and dates and then crush them. I have crushed to save the time. Now I will mix it with honey. Now it is mixed. I will stuff in the dates and let's stuff it. Look, it is ready. Now we will whistle with honey and seeds. Let's do it. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.